Hi, welcome to the quiz. You will be presented with multiple choice questions, each displayed on screen for a short time. Please make sure to attempt answering all the questions. Quizzes help us to reinforce our knowledge, identify areas where we need to focus more, and improve our overall performance. Taking quizzes can also help to increase retention and make the learning process more engaging and enjoyable. With that out of the way, you can answer along on quizalto.com. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started. Good luck. What is the maximum size of a single file that can be cached in Amazon File Cache? 5 terabytes. 500 gigabytes. 100 gigabytes. 1 terabyte. Which AWS service can you use to automate the creation and management of Amazon File Cache resources? Amazon SageMaker. AWS Elastic Beanstalk. AWS CloudFormation. AWS Glue. How does Amazon File Cache handle data durability? By storing data on magnetic tapes. By using RAID configurations. By replicating data across multiple nodes. By creating snapshots every hour. What type of performance does Amazon File Cache provide? Low performance during peak times. Performance degradation over time. Consistent high performance. Variable performance based on usage. How does Amazon File Cache handle data encryption? It only supports client-side encryption. It requires a separate key management service. It does not encrypt cached data. It encrypts data at rest and in transit by default. Which of the following statements is true about billing for Amazon File Cache? You are billed based on provision capacity and data retrieval. Billing is based on the number of file operations performed. There is a flat monthly fee regardless of usage. You are only charged for the data you store in the cache. Amazon File Cache can be integrated with which of the following? Amazon Redshift. Amazon RDS. Amazon S3. Amazon DynamoDB. Amazon File Cache is ideal for applications that require which of the following? Minimal storage. Low bandwidth. High throughput. Basic security features. Amazon File Cache helps in reducing the load on which type of storage? Primary storage. Archive storage. Local storage only. Cold storage. What is the key difference between Amazon File Cache and traditional caching solutions? Availability, simplicity, cost efficiency, integration with AWS services. Which of the following best describes the scalability of Amazon File Cache? It requires manual scaling of compute resources. It scales throughput automatically with cache size. It scales based on the number of mounted clients. It has fixed performance regardless of cache size. Which AWS service does Amazon File Cache use for data transport to and from Amazon S3? AWS Direct Connect, AWS Snowball, Amazon CloudFront, AWS Storage Gateway. What is the significance of the write-around caching strategy in Amazon File Cache? Writes go directly to the backend storage, bypassing the cache. Writes are duplicated to both the cache and backend storage. All writes are first performed on the cache. Write operations are not supported in File Cache. How does Amazon File Cache handle data that hasn't been accessed recently? It automatically evicts cold data. It compresses cold data. It replicates cold data to another region. It archives cold data to Amazon Glacier. What happens to the cached data in Amazon File Cache when you stop the file cache? The cached data is migrated to Amazon EFS. The cached data is lost. The cached data remains intact until you restart the cache. The cached data is automatically backed up. Amazon File Cache is most beneficial for which type of applications? CPU-intensive applications, I/O-intensive applications, graphics-intensive applications, memory-intensive applications. What is the purpose of the refresh interval setting in Amazon File Cache? To schedule regular maintenance windows. To set the interval for automatic cache resizing. To determine the frequency of cache snapshots. To control how often the cache checks for changes in the linked data store. How does Amazon File Cache handle data consistency? By providing weak consistency. By ensuring strong consistency across cache data. By offering eventual consistency. By not ensuring any consistency. Amazon File Cache is best suited for which workload? Email hosting, video streaming, high-performance computing, web hosting. What is a key use case for Amazon File Cache? Online transaction processing, data processing and analytics, web page rendering, content delivery. What is the durability of data stored in Amazon File Cache? 11 nines. Data in file cache is not durable and is intended for caching only. 6 nines. 3 nines. What is the main purpose of using Amazon File Cache with analytics workloads? To improve data accuracy. To reduce data redundancy. To enhance data encryption. To speed up data access. How does Amazon File Cache integrate with AWS DataSync? DataSync is required for mounting file cache on E.C.2 instances. DataSync provides incremental backups of file cache. DataSync can efficiently transfer data into file cache. DataSync is used to replicate file cache to another region. How does Amazon File Cache handle metadata operations? It stores metadata in a separate database. It replicates metadata across multiple availability zones. It encrypts all metadata at rest. It caches metadata in memory for fast access. What is the purpose of the cache stickiness feature in Amazon File Cache? To encrypt sensitive data in the cache. To keep specific data in the cache for a longer period. To prevent concurrent access to cached files. To limit the cache size. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.